Hey guys, we know that you have tried to move from one company to another, one smart contract to another. Are you looking for one who keeps its promise, who works for community with good vision to help you achieve financial freedom? Well then, your search is over. Let me introduce you to a new Tron-based 100% decentralized smart contract deployed on the Tron blockchain network, BrainTron. This investment smart contract is an innovative idea of an experienced professional blockchain developer who has been in the industry for over 10 years. The smart contract is deployed on the blockchain, which means it can't be deleted or manipulated. No scam, and it's all decentralized. BrainTron has mouth-watering features which give investors opportunity to accumulate the Tron cryptocurrency massively. We have sponsor income, daily return, ROI, level income, top referral income, daily destiny draw. We also have profit zones, where you get 1% to 5% daily, limit 300 to 400%. Your ROI will increase up to 5% according to your direct referrals. The amazing thing is that you can earn up to 400% of your investment in all. That's sponsor income, ROI, and level income. We have up to 20 levels. Total of 131% ROI is distributed as level income. We also have an achiever pool. 3% of daily deposit in contract goes to daily achiever pool. 20% from daily achiever pool is distributed between top 4 referrals. We also have destiny draw. Every day, one lucky winner is selected from the enrolled participants and 1% from the pool is awarded. With all being said, you can start with just 500 TRX and 1,000 TRX in multiples of 1,000 TRX. This means you cannot decrease your capital. You can only increase from 1,000 TRX. We have more offers in place for our members. Don't hesitate to join us today and pave your way to finally succeed. So friends, fasten your seatbelts for this wonderful journey towards success. We are ready to take off. BrainTron.